Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to build passive income, but the problem is, most people keep promoting the same overcrowded networks. Amazon Associates? Low commissions. ClickBank? Too much competition. CJ Affiliate? Tough to get approved. But today, I'll show you 3 new affiliate marketing websites that can make you $100 to $500 per day, even if you're just starting out. These platforms have higher commissions, lower competition, and better conversions. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a secret strategy to get your first sale fast. So stay tuned. The first affiliate program on our list is PartnerStack. PartnerStack is a premium affiliate network for SaaS companies, also known as software as a service. Instead of promoting cheap physical products, you can earn $50 to $500 per sale by referring people to business software. Some of the top brands inside PartnerStack include Monday.com, a project management tool, ActiveCampaign, an email marketing platform, and Sendinblue, a marketing automation software. Since SaaS companies have recurring revenue, many of them offer monthly commissions. This means you don't just get paid once, you keep earning every single month for as long as your referrals stay subscribed. To make money with PartnerStack, you can create comparison videos like Best Email Marketing Tools for Small Businesses, write blog posts reviewing SaaS products, answer questions on Quora and Reddit, linking back to your offer. With the right strategy, PartnerStack can generate $500 to $5,000 per month in commissions. Impact.com, high-paying physical product affiliate network. Impact.com is a premium affiliate marketing network that partners with big-name brands like Adidas, Canva, Lenovo, Hostinger, and NordVPN. The best part? Unlike Amazon Associates, which pays tiny commissions, Impact.com offers 10 to 30% per sale, meaning you can make $100 to $1,500 per month depending on your traffic. Here's why Impact.com is a great choice. Higher commissions than Amazon, you make more per sale. Exclusive brand partnerships, work with global companies. And diverse product categories, fashion, tech, software, and more. To start earning, you can create YouTube tutorials and unboxing videos. Use Instagram and TikTok affiliate content. And write SEO blog posts targeting product reviews. If you're already creating content in the tech, fashion, or business niche, Impact.com is a must-join platform. Now, let's talk about Lemonade. Lemonade is an insurance company that offers high-ticket commissions for promoting renters, home, and pet insurance. This affiliate program is perfect for people interested in the finance niche because insurance payouts are huge. You can earn up to $50 to $200 per referral, making it a profitable program even with low traffic. Here's why Lemonade is a great option. Massive demand, everyone needs insurance. High commissions, earn up to $200 per sign-up. And low competition, many affiliates ignore the insurance niche. Want to earn passive income with Lemonade? Here's how you can get started. First, create YouTube videos on topics like Best Renters Insurance for Students. Or write blog posts comparing different home insurance options. You can also share useful tips inside finance groups on Facebook, Reddit, and other communities. Why Lemonade? Because the finance and insurance niche is built on trust, and it attracts long-term customers. This means promoting Lemonade can easily generate between $500 and $2,000 per month in passive income, once you get things rolling. Secret traffic strategy to get sales. Now, you might be thinking, but how do I actually drive traffic to my affiliate links? Here are 3 free methods you can start using today, no paid ads needed. 1. YouTube SEO. Make videos that target long-tail keywords, like best SaaS tools for small businesses. These types of videos are easier to rank, and they attract people who are ready to buy. 2. Pinterest SEO. Create high-quality pins that link directly to your blog, YouTube channel, or landing pages. Pinterest is an underrated traffic goldmine, especially for finance and insurance topics. 3. Reddit and Quora. Answer questions inside relevant communities. Provide genuine value first, and naturally weave your affiliate links into your answers. If you're helpful, people will click. The real secret? Consistency. If you post regularly and target the right keywords, you'll start seeing commissions trickle in, and soon, it becomes weekly income. Before you go, Which affiliate program are you excited to try first? Drop a comment down below, I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell, so you never miss a new video on how to make money online.